Now, there are some common mistakes made by the students in simplifying radical expressions. And we must try, or you must try, to avoid these mistakes. Incorrect? The correct one. An example of an incorrect simplifying a radical expression is this. The square root of 16 plus 9. The student presented it as the square root of 16 plus the square root of 9. Since the student knows that the square root of 16 is equal to 4 plus the square root of 9 is equal to 3, then their sum is 7. But actually, when we are getting the square root of 16 plus 9, is that we are going to use the PEMDAS or the MDAS. The radicand is to be added, and that is equal to 25. Now, the square root of 25 is 5. And that is the correct answer. It is simply because the square root of m plus n is not equal to the square root of m plus the square root of n. Likewise, if we have this example, the square root of 169 minus 25, the students simplified it this way. The square root of 169 minus the square root of 25. And since the student knows that the square root of 169 is 13 and the square root of 25 is 5, then the student's answer in simplifying the square root of 169 minus 25 is 8. But actually, when we get the square root of 169 minus 25, we just subtract, wherein the difference of 169 and 25 is 144, and the square root of 44 is 12. In general, when we are getting the square root of m minus n, it is not equal to the square root of m minus the square root of n. And let us always remember these common mistakes.